to Reno. An hour and 30 minutes to Reno.
An hour and 30 minutes?
Yeah, that's what Apple Maps says. This is our first stop at Taco Bell. Going to Meridian. And pretty good so far. Second stop at a Chevron station. Gonna put diesel in it. We still have 264 more miles to go until we get to where are we going? Meridian, Idaho. We're gonna try to make it tonight.
Welcome to Oregon.
Go slow. Look, it's the line.
Thank you for visiting Nevada.
Bye-bye, Nevada.
Oh no.
Yay. Finally. I'm not very excited.
Okay.
Idaho. It only took us moving time 8 hours and 52 minutes. There's the Mustang. Oh wow. Alright, if you don't understand what's going on, here's what's going on. We drove from California to Meridian, Idaho. It took us roughly 8 to 9 hours. And basically when we got there, I was pretty shocked that we drove from California to Idaho to go pick up a car. That's why the filming's pretty bad. But so basically, we started it up, loaded it on the trailer, drove straight back home to California. So we should be back home at 6:15 a.m. I don't know how well this was portrayed in the video of what you could understand what was going on in the couple of clips. So basically, Saturday morning, or no, actually, for Saturday, we decided to buy a car from Kendall Ford Automotive in Meridian, Idaho. By the way, extremely helpful. If you live in Meridian, Idaho, I would buy a used car from there. It was super nice, super helpful. So we've never bought a car out of state because we live in California. And that's in Idaho, so we were always like, we don't want to buy a car out of state because we can't look at it. But for some reason, I mean, it's Ford at a Ford dealership. So, but we bought it, and then we were gonna have it shipped. All the shipping companies were like weird about it. They said, oh, 2 days, oh no, 3 days now. So they didn't, or a week from now. Somebody said 2 days, somebody said a week, so we just said, you know what? Let's just drive up there. So Saturday morning, we went to U-Haul, picked up a U-Haul trailer at a U-Haul place down the street from us, left Antioch, California, drove straight up to Reno, and through Reno to Winnemucca. We even went to Rome. Not Rome in Italy, Rome in Oregon. Very small town. Drove all the way up, kept driving. Got to Meridian, Idaho, picked up the car. It's a Ford Mustang Svo, 1986. It is the most expensive Mustang of the time. I'm not gonna do anything to it, I'm just gonna keep it original. The most expensive Mustang, pretty much. The 1986 Svo. So, really happy with it. Stay tuned to see more in upcoming videos with it.